Hi there, let me show you how to add weather widget on always on display of this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So the first way is to unlock the phone and then press and hold the screen until it requires the passcode. Just enter your passcode and you will go in edit mode. So here you can click this plus and widgets and choose a widget from the list. We're gonna choose weather. And also you can choose any icon you like, but I'm gonna choose this moon face. Great, and just simply click down button. And now let's lock the phone. And as you can see, this widget appears on the always on display as well. The second way, let's unlock the phone and go in the settings. So let me enter my passcode and open settings. Great. Now here we need to scroll till we see lock screen and always on display tab. Select it and go in edit lock screen. And here you can do the same thing as well. So let's change the widget for this one. Great. You can even add two widgets as you can see, or you can delete not needed one. So when you're done, click this done button and let's check it. Great, we see this widget on the always on display. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.